We're back, baby. And today, we're gonna be working on this top.
Had a few friends, but they suck in the past. I don't even trip when I'm thinking about that. Hopped in the whip and we all in black. Shawty wanna ride to the hop in the...
So the rest of the track prep is gonna be pretty routine. That is, if anything goes wrong with me trying to change my oil. That being said, I need a break. I wanna do something fun. And I got something for the Miata that I've always wanted. I got a new top for it. And it's a top that you will never see me wear here. A bikini top. Check out my OnlyFans. So, what do we need to do to get the bikini top in the car? Well, I don't actually have to take out the soft top, but I want to. This soft top hasn't been serving me well for a while. As you can see, this window is trash. So I'd like to take it out anyways and see if I can try and do some faux repair on it, but I have to use some parts off of this top. I also have a donor piece from another top that I can use, but it was missing some core components, so I'm gonna have to take some of this stuff apart to get the bikini top on. So I might as well take it off. If this ever sees rain, I'm just gonna be SOL for now. It just is what it is. I don't drive in the rain, but if I'm on a road trip or something and it starts to rain, I gotta go faster than 60 miles an hour and I'll be fine. And if I have to come to a stop, I'll just sit at a gas station for a while. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take out this top. It's pretty simple. There's a bunch of nuts on the inside, and then there are, I think, 3 nuts or 3 bolts on each side, which may require me to take out my driver's seat, which is cool because then we can vacuum and do a little detailing. And then all we gotta do is put the bikini top together at that point, and it seems pretty straightforward, pretty low stress. But as always, we know something's gonna go wrong. All right, let's enjoy our Sunday, or your Tuesday, or your Wednesday, whenever you're watching this. I don't know. Taking the seat out, it's just 4 bolts that attach to the seat rail. And all we gotta do is just unclip. I think the submarine belt should come out. Should be. Yeah, there it goes. Lifts up, okay. That easy. So Miata bolts are usually 10, 14 or 17, and sometimes 12. So these are 12. But it makes working on this thing super easy because everything's pretty much the same. If you're under the engine, it's all the same. If you're in the interior, it's all the same. It's not like a lot of classics, although I'm starting to find that depending on the classic, they're all the same. They're just weird standard sizes. 1, 2. I'll get the other side, and then this thing should lift out. It's nice and taut. This front latch isn't great. I'm gonna see if I have extra latches. I thought I did from when I had a hardtop, so I'll check and see if I can replace this latch, because I always had trouble with this latch with my soft top. Even when I tighten it, it doesn't wanna like stay tight. So I think we can still order some spec Miata brackets, where they're non-adjustable, just hard brackets, and then we can hard mount this in here. So I'm just gonna line up the cloth underneath, see where that's at, and then go straight down. Looks kind of jank, huh? So it looked jank from the back right there. I thought about like almost getting rid, just like going straight up right there. I don't know. We'll see if that bothers me. Because the window, if I have the windows up, which is kind of dumb anyways, but okay. Hopefully you guys can see. There's a little giant hex spacer here, and it tightens this. So I think, I'm not sure, is that extending it? Oh, okay, so we want to go the other way. So it doesn't have a lot of adjustment to tighten that back. Yeah, it's not even, there's so much play there. Package alert. Let's see what's in here. Oh, hey yo, brackets. And these are the bad boys I've been waiting for. So, we can get those on, and it comes with fresh hardware. That's what I like to see. Let's put them on. You guys don't want to see that, do you? I'll just put them on the car. What do you think? Thoughts on the bikini top. This center brace is kind of BS. That being said, I don't know yet because I haven't driven it yet. And yeah, it seems like more of a liability while you're driving. Also, when I got in, I hit my head on it. So definitely if I'm driving with the helmet on, that's a no-go. Overall, the spec Miata brackets totally changed the way it fit. So definitely my soft top brackets were junk. And then yeah, fit and finish, it looks OEM. It looks nice on the inside, it looks nice on the outside. So overall, I am super happy with how this turned out. I really needed this. I really needed a break from working on the car, but now we got to get down to track prep. I think I got 3 weeks till track day, so it's time to get back to work. All right, guys, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you say something nice to me, and we'll see you in the next video, all right? Peace.
I just wanna move with your loving, yeah. Oh, let's make a movie.